Hello everyone, I want to go over our open house that's coming up. Bibbens is having their open house September 21st through the 23rd from 9 a.m. to 6 on Thursday and Friday, and then 9 to 3 on Saturday. You'll see the biggest sales that we're going to be offering this year, whether it's gear, clothing, accessories, oil, helmets, gloves, bibs, carbides, basically all your essentials that you're going to need for the upcoming snow season. We will be offering food and drinks to our customers. Also, big discounts on leftover sleds. So all of our 2023 models will be discounted in order to get the public out there and buying some more sleds, getting into the season. We're discounting all of our 23 models to make room for all the new 24 models coming. We have over 50 used sleds that will be on display that we do have a layaway program, which if you do see one that day that you like, we can put a deposit on it, hold that sled for you, and then when the time comes you're ready to pick it up, we'll service it, go through the sled, make sure it's all ready for the season, and at that point we'll schedule a time to pick up and you'll be ready for the season. We have a lot of great deals on new trailers and used sleds. Stop by our open house in Weedsport, New York. We look forward to seeing you there.